Hey guys, this is John with WMD Equipment. The product that we're showing you in this video can be found exclusively at our online store, so please be sure to check that out. Also, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks and enjoy the rest of the video.
Hey everyone, we are excited to share that we are now offering two different options for our pouch filling machines. Whether you're packaging applesauce, hot sauces, lotions, or any other products, these high quality machines will speed up your entire filling process immediately. Our first option is a Benchtop pouch filler, which has been manufactured and assembled in Italy. This is a fully pneumatic piston filling machine that can fill pouches as small as 1 milliliter all the way up to 1300 milliliters. It is one of our flagship piston fillers that we believe is the best bang for your buck on our online store today. Our second option is a carded pouch filling and capping monoblock, also manufactured in Italy. This unit comes outfitted with a pneumatic piston filler along with a screw capper. This machine effectively performs both the filling and capping process in just a few seconds by a single person. It is truly a one-of-a-kind piece of equipment. Both machines are built out of AISI 304 stainless steel for their frames and stands, as well as AISI 316 stainless steel for their nozzles, pistons, hoppers, or any other component that comes in contact with your product. Both machines come with a 1-year manufacturer warranty and are in stock here in Olympia, Washington. So whether you're a new producer looking to get away from back-breaking manual processes, or you're a seasoned producer looking to add to your lineup, be sure to reach out and we can send you more information today. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.